Hello everyone and welcome, and today I'm going to guide you step by step on how to use Airtel Money for transfer and payment. Step 1. Activate your Airtel Money wallet. Dial *939# and click on the call button. This is a mobile commerce service which runs in partnership with Central Bank of Nigeria licensed operator. So your wallet is activated once you complete this. Step 2. Fund your wallet. To fund your wallet, you click on number 1 right here and click on send. Then you can see add from deposit from other bank, cash deposit, a friend. If you're adding from cash deposits, you need to visit an Airtel showroom, an Airtel distribution shop, an access branch, or any authorized agent location. If you are depositing by deposit from other bank, you navigate to your bank app, click on transfer, then input your phone number, then remove the first zero. That way you have your Airtel Money account number brought to you. Step 3. Send money or make payment. Now to send money or make payment, from the same 9*939# you click on send. You can send money to other Airtel Money customer or other bank by clicking on for transfer. So right here you input the account number you want to send money to and confirm the prompt. Step 4. Receive money from others. Friends and family can send money straight to your Airtel Money account too, and it lands into your wallet, which can be used or redraw. Step 5. Track your transaction. To track your transaction, you are still going to dial the same *939# and click on send. So right here you click on number 8, my profile. Then you click on number 4, report. So as you can see, if you want to check your last 5 transactions, your transaction history, the previous day transaction, today's summary, or you want to use email to check it, you have all the options available for you. And here are the step-by-step guide